Hi there. About a month ago, I was working with a product team, and we discovered that this team of 8 product managers was using 11 different AI tools, and there was zero coordination between them. I'm not using real names here, but Sarah was crushing customer interviews and using Claude. Jake was trying to do the exact same thing using ChatGPT and was struggling. If this sounds familiar, today I'm going to show you how you can diagnose your team's AI chaos and try to fix it within 30 days using AI. My name is Michael Hirsch. I'm with Break a Pencil Consulting. I teach strategy at the University of Washington, and I help build AI confidence in product teams. This here is the Strategic Orchestra Conductor in action. Of the 6 different personas of product leadership, a framework we developed, this is specifically what a strategic orchestra conductor does, which is try to make sure that there's some coordination and orchestration, if you will, amongst the entire team. So let's take a look at the AI Competencies Framework that we developed. 6 essential competencies for product teams to master AI. AI tools and automation. Can you use AI to speed up your daily work? AI enhanced analysis. Can you use AI to uncover insights from data? AI product strategy. Can you identify where AI would add value to your products? AI development process. Can you successfully ship AI features to customers? AI team leadership. Can you build and lead AI capable teams? And last but definitely not least, AI ethics and governance. Can you ensure AI is used responsibly in your products? So I ask teams to assess individual members on these 6 different competencies on a very simple 0 to 3 scale. And when teams assess themselves, this is what I end up seeing. Right? I see the score, a 0 to 3, for each of the 6 different competencies for each different person. And if you look at this a little bit closely, you'll start to see some of the chaos. For example, Sarah and Lisa are crushing it at tools and analytics, more so than anybody else on the team. We should leverage their experience and help share that with the team. We also notice that everybody's pretty lacking in ethics, so we probably want to focus on that. So now watch what happens when I feed this real data into AI. So I'm going to go to Claude, and I'm going to put in the following prompt. I assessed my 6-person product team using the AI Competencies Framework. Here are their scores on a 0 to 3 scale across 6 competencies, and I listed all the scores. Create a 30-day coordination plan that addresses knowledge transfer opportunities, high performers teaching low performers, critical team gaps, competencies where everyone scores low, and sustainable coordination systems. Focus on highest impact wins that a busy product leader can actually execute alongside shipping a roadmap. As a product leader, this is important, but likely not the only thing you're focused on. Immediately, we see Claude shift to the right side of the screen for artifact. Let's let it kind of go through. Well, let's actually start reading it. 30-day AI team coordination plan. Great. High performers by competency. Sarah is a 3, expert in tools usage. Sarah and Lisa are both strong with analytical. Jake and Lisa, strategic thinking, and so forth and so on. Team gaps. The entire team is weak. 5 out of 6 people are at level 1. Most team members are underdeveloped when it comes to leadership. 4 out of the 6 are at levels 1 or 2. And half the team is struggling with strategic thinking. So week 1 and 2, we're going to foundation set. Great. Ethics emergency response. Mike and Amy can co-lead a 90-minute ethics and product development workshop with the entire team. A case study analysis using real product scenarios, establishing some team ethics checklist for all AI feature decisions. Knowledge transfer kickoff. Day 4 through 14, we'll do some embedded learning. These daily micro learnings, 5 minutes in existing stand-ups. Great. Share of tooltips, alternate sharing, strategic insights. Mike shares development best practices. So everybody's taken a piece of this, which is great because you want to see everybody on the team be as engaged as possible, not just sort of in only learning mode, but also in engaging and teaching mode. Weeks 3 to 4, we go through systems and scaling. We work on a buddy system. We do some rotating AI champion role. This is a key insight. Whenever I do work with product teams, I always insist that we identify 1 or 2 AI champions that I give some extra training to at the end of my engagement. And so when I leave, there's still some training capability and some leadership capability to extend and continue the AI learning long after my engagement with that company is done. Monthly team competency review, high impact integration with existing workflows, some weekly rhythm adjustments, right? We're going to adjust the Monday stand-up, maybe the Wednesday planning session to include some strategic alignment check, and the Friday retro for competency growth. We'll institute some documentation systems, some success metrics and checkpoints. This is great. And then we already start thinking about what's our focus in month 2 going to look like. So what I want you to realize is, in a very short amount of time, with a structured framework around AI competencies and a quick assessment of a team, using AI, I can quickly get to a structured approach for how my team can get better and more effective at using AI rather than just random hope and pray. Implementation notes for product leader, time investment, critical success factor, risk mitigation. This is all great stuff. The competitive advantage ultimately isn't who's going to adopt AI fastest. It's going to be who coordinates AI adoption most effectively. Individual expertise, individual genius ultimately becomes team capability when you put the right system in place. So, every one of you, run this assessment with your team before your next retrospective. Get the framework and the exact prompt with the sample data in the description below. Everything is copy and paste ready, so you can try this immediately with your team. If you're not a product leader, work with your product leader to get your team to do it. Start showing you have initiative to work with the rest of your peers and try to help your team be more effective. If you found this useful, subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly AI tips and tricks videos exactly like this one. Every Saturday morning, grab your cup of coffee and I'll show you practical AI techniques that make product leadership more effective. Hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon. You'll never miss the demos. Your assignment: stop accepting AI chaos as a given and start building AI coordination. The teams that figure this out first, I promise, will be next to impossible to catch. And as always, break a pencil.